What are you eating?
Yes.
That's part of the sushi. So Haley likes sushi?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. That's exciting. Do you want to try some more of the salmon? I can give you more salmon. I know you like this part of it. Here, have some more of this. This is salmon. This is the good part.
Okay. Cut.
I can't believe you're eating a whole sushi roll. That's part of the eel.
Yeah.
Here, try some of the salmon. You liked it. You ate some. You already ate some of the salmon. Should Mommy eat it? Okay. Look at you eating sushi. You're going to be a foodie when you grow up. What else do you want? You do want the salmon. Okay, go ahead. Eat the salmon. Hey, hey, Haley. Is it good? Do you like it?
Eat.
Yeah, you like eating it?
Eat.
What?
Eat.
Dean?
Yeah.
Dean's not eating sushi, I guarantee you. Dean's parents don't eat sushi. Oh, you're taking all my good stuff. You're taking all the good stuff. That's a good piece of tuna there. You can have that whole thing if you want it.
Yes.
It's tuna. Go ahead. No, this is the good stuff. This is the really good part. You want to eat this part?
No.
No? Oh, Mommy likes the tuna. It's really good. You're just going to eat the roll? That's some of the whitefish. Give that to Mommy if you don't want it. Do you want that part? That's the good part. Yeah, it's yummy. Mmm. You and Mumbo have a lot in common. Because Mumbo from Happy Feet, he likes to eat fish too. That's when he eats a fish, what does he say? Mmm. I'm proud of you, Haley. I feel like we're having a real bonding moment here. I'm going to have to start taking you out for sushi now, huh? You're a very cosmopolitan girl. I'm glad you like it.